Alright, so getting these pressure plate bolts off is pretty tough because when you try to undo them, like if we were trying to undo this guy, your flywheel is just going to rotate with your engine, and so that's no bueno. So you can't break them free, and there's a lot of toxic dust here, so you don't want to use air tools. So what I do is I take one of the bell housing bolts and I thread it into the top of there, and I have a wrench with that closed side around the bolt. So just thread that guy in like so. And now, as we rotate this guy, eventually this thing's going to get stuck in one of these wedges. So let me just continue to rotate that. Back. A little bit. There you go. So now we've got this guy wedged in there. So if we wanted to break these bolts free, we can just go to this guy. And it comes off. Because now we've got our bell housing bolt and a wrench locking this thing in place. So we can just undo all these guys. And the torque spec is 24 foot-pounds, so you're not going to over-torque any of these things. There's 6 of them, they're 10 mil. Ugh. And there you go. So we just broke all these things free. I can take them off the rest of the way. That is the trick that helps get us this thing off. So I hope this helps, and thank you all for watching.